Let's see how to print the report in Excel or PDF.
Click on Edit, then open Settings and navigate to Print, then Header. In the left section, select the image. Note, the dashboard header is different. If you want a header in the PDF print, define it separately here. Choose Image, then select the desired logo. You can adjust its size by clicking the small eye icon. In the middle section, select Field Text and modify its parameters using the eye icon. On the right section, choose Start Date and End Date and configure their properties as needed. Click Save once done. Next, go to Print Settings, tick the widgets you want to include, and define their positions. Adjust the top, bottom, left, and right margins according to your layout. Save the settings. Move to the Footer section, and on the right side, select Page Number. Save again. Finally, if you return the settings, you'll find an option to change the dashboard logo icon as well. Save all changes to complete the setup.
Go to Print and select PDF. The print process will start and run in the background, and its progress can be monitored in the print bar. If the report contains a large number of pages, say around 200, the intelligent print engine efficiently manages the task without overloading the system's RAM. This ensures that the system remains responsive even when handling large data sets. At the same time, you can also export or print the same report in Excel format. The progress bar shows the real-time printing status. In this example, the Excel report contains around 6,000 rows, while the generated PDF includes 222 pages. And throughout the entire process, the platform's performance remains unaffected.